Ang relihiyon po ay nagiging mali kapag po ang relihiyon ginamit pang sindikato. Sabi sa Book of James, if anyone thinks he is religious and does not bridle his tongue but deceives his heart, this person's religion is worthless. Kung kaya mo magpigil ng dila, religious ka. Hindi ka gossiper, hindi ka slanderer, religious ka. Ikaw naman po'y naninirang puri, wala raw pong kabuluhan yung pagiging relihiyoso mo. Ito po sana ang gusto ng religion sa atin how to get connected to God. Ito ang totoong kalaban natin. He cannot move in a person with a religious spirit. Kaya hindi masama ang maging religious. Ang masama yung merong religious spirit. Kaya very important na malaman mo at maintindihan mo. It's not about us. It's about Jesus. Christianity is more than a religion, but never less.